we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. We wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
So we're cooking the Bittermelon with bacon.
With you and I, the future is bright.
So here's the bacon. We put some peppers or ground peppers. We're putting some onions. My husband is cooking the bittermelon with coconut, milk and cream, bacon, onions, tomatoes, and garlic.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. sight, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have.
So that's a what is it, that?
Found what we're looking for in life.
Coconut cream.
Call us
I want you to say it.
things are finally right.
We're gonna put some,
Now the future is
a lot. Tom Yum, guys, his favorite.
you and I, we got it.
It's like a combination of shrimp paste and garlic paste, chili garlic paste, something like that.
Before sleep,
So it's really good.
let's see the moon. Side by
Hot
side,
and spicy.
no limit to what we can do.
It's Jeremy Hintz
Oh, we know
ingredients.
found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard time, you and I
Let it
can
simmer.
weather any storm.
It's boiling now, so my husband is gonna put the shrimp. Put the tomato on the end. Shrimp. This is a different kind of ampalaya or bittermelon dish. Can't wait to try it, guys. This looks like a seafood galore. Oh my goodness, looks yummy. It's not cooked yet. I'm hungry. Try it.
I'm gonna try the sauce. Now some of these have shells on them.
It's alright.
There's too much in here.
It's bitter melon with shrimp and bacon. That's good, babe. Yum. So let's eat. It's very good, guys. Oh my goodness. See the bacon and ampalaya or bitter melon and shrimp. Oh man, it's so good.
Hey guys, thanks for watching Filipina Girl Next Door. If you could, leave a like or leave a comment, or if it's really good to you, maybe you could subscribe. It really helps my mom out a lot, so if you could, that'd be awesome. Thank you.